In this video, I'll show you how to remove login password on WordPress. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, you are aware that if you love to log into your WordPress account, you're going to be you'll be needing a link to be able to do this. So, but if you love to remove the link, what you need to do at first, you can be able to come on here and change your password. So, I'm going to come on here on this security and change your password. So that is the first option. Then the second option, go on to this, click on login, come on here, type in password less login. So this is gonna come out. So I think okay, so this is the first option. So once you click on it, you're gonna be able to install this plugin to your device. Once you have installed it, you're going to be able to use it to remove your password here on your WordPress account. So you can see it here. It's the modern way of logging into your WordPress account without the use of password. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next.